Ariel is my favorite Disney princess, so in this video we are making the new Little Mermaid, Paula Bailey.
Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who
Comment down below if you are excited to watch the live-action movie.
Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you'd think, sure, she's got everything.
I am open for commission. Just contact me through my bio.
I've got who's it's and what's
The hair
it's
is the
galore.
challenging part because of its
You want thing of a
texture.
box? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on
Thank you for
those
watching.
what you call